Let's fill out the Colorado ATV bill of sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the ATV and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the ATV, the make and model, and the year. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the ATV. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. All right, let's walk through what Colorado requires for your ATV bill of sale. First, you'll need a motor vehicle bill of sale, and it must include a description of the vehicle, meaning the year, make, and VIN. You'll also need to enter the purchase price and the date of the sale, so make sure both of those are filled in clearly. Now, for the seller's name. Colorado does not accept a first initial with a last name. The seller, or the seller's agent, must use their full first name. When it comes to signing, the document must either be signed under penalty of perjury in the 2nd degree, under Colorado Revised Statute 42-6-125, or it must be notarized. One or the other is required. On the title side of things, you'll need to provide the properly endorsed Colorado Certificate of Title. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.